So we have a function and we have its first derivative on a given interval. So they've given us a function and they've given us its first derivative on an interval. There's our interval. And we want to find a value C that satisfies that. So we're going to find a value that is where it's equal. Okay. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find my average rate of change from 4 to 6, right? So I'm just going to say f of 4 and would be -2 times 4 squared plus 16 times 4 minus 26, right? And my f of 6 is, somebody with a calculator throw that in there for me.
I got -2 for f equals 6, for f of 6.
There, okay, so I've got a -4. What I want to do is I want to solve this because I want it to be the same. So I'm going to say I want -4 to equal -4x plus 16, right? So -20 equals -4x. So when my x equals 5, at that point, it's going to be there. So if I go through and I look right at 5, which is about, here. So, yeah, somewhere right in there. 5, yep. 5, 4, yep, that point. The instantaneous slope at a tangent line to that would be -4. Do I need to say that again slowly? The slope of a tangent line at this point on this function would be -4. And it is equal to the average rate of change in that interval. That is the point where those two are equal.